Hey guys, in New Hampshire, you have to heat with something economical. And we were fortunate to get this wood stove used from someone on the Facebook Marketplace. So it's awesome, and it just needed a little bit of TLC, and I didn't know if I was going to paint it or what I was going to do. But I looked up on YouTube, thank you YouTube, for how to restore a wood stove, and I found this paste, stove polish, for unpainted surfaces of cast iron. Awesome. Yeah, it looks like it's working well. Just a little bit more to go. It was a great success. I got a little dirty, but it took me about an hour. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.